Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing well. Students, this is our second video of Unit 3 Digestion. In this video, we will solve the exercises given at the end of the lesson. But first try to solve them in your own words. Then you can take help from this video. Now students, this is our question number 1. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Which teeth are used for biting into food? And the options are molars, premolars, canine, incisors. And the correct answer is incisors. Number 2. The undigested food passes out through the options intestine, stomach, anus, pancreas. And the correct answer is intestine. Number 3.
Number 3. What is stored in the gallbladder? Options: bile, saliva, glucose, water. And the answer is bile.
Number 4. Where do the nutrients go after they pass through the intestinal walls? Options: into tissues, into blood vessels, into the kidneys, into the stomach. And the answer is into blood vessels. Number 5. Which of the following are facts about the liver? Options: it helps filter the blood, it stores food energy, it is the largest organ, and last option is all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above.
Now students, this is our exercise 2. Match the definition in column A with the correct terms in column B. Look at column A. Saliva, liver, intestine, gallbladder, stomach, pancreas. Column B. Produces digestive juices that break down fats, a fluid that helps with digestion. It stores bile, produces bile, a long tube in the digestive system, stores food for several hours. Now we are going to match. Saliva. What is saliva? Saliva is a fluid that helps with digestion. Liver produces bile. Intestine. Intestine is a long tube in the digestive system. Gallbladder. What is gallbladder? Gallbladder stores bile. Stomach. It stores food for several hours. Pancreas. Produce digestive juices that break down fats. That was your match the column. That was exercise number 2. You can do it very easily. First of all, do it by yourself, and if you're having any problem, then you can get the help from this video and solve this exercise.
Now, exercise 3, fill in the blanks. Dash in the mouth helps to soften food, that is saliva. The stomach produces dash which kills the bacteria in food, that is acid. The large intestine absorbs the dash from the waste and sends to the solid part of it dash, water and feces. The liver produces digestive juice called bile. The dash helps to mix the food with saliva, tongue.
Bile is produced by the dash and stored in the dash. Bile is produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder.
Saliva softens the food and starts the digestion of starches. That was your exercise 3, fill in the blanks. Now this is exercise 4. Mark these sentences with tick and cross. Number 1. The teeth which cut food are incisors. Yes, true, as we all know that we use incisors for cutting and biting the food. Number 2. There are salivary glands in the teeth. It's cross. Salivary glands are in the tongue. Number 3. Food enters the stomach through the small intestine. It's wrong. Food enters the stomach through the food pipe. Number 4. The liver is bigger than pancreas. It's true. Number 5. It is better for the digestion if one stands while eating. It's wrong. It's better for the digestion if someone sits while eating. That was your exercise 4 of unit number 3, digestion. Now students, this is question number 5. Answer these questions. Question number 1. Name 4 types of teeth. Incisors, canine, premolars and molars. These are 4 types of teeth. Question number 2. What are the intestines and what are their functions? And the answer is the intestines are tubes that carry food from the stomach to the anus. In the small intestine, more digestive juices make the food softer. The walls of the small intestine are very thin. Digested food in the form of nutrients passes through the walls into the blood vessels. Some of the things you eat cannot be digested. They pass into the large intestine. Here, water is absorbed from the undigested food and fiber, and the solid part of it is sent out of the body as feces through the anus. Question number 3. What is saliva? How does it help digestion? And the answer is salivary glands in the mouth produce saliva. Saliva is a liquid that softens the food and starts the digestion of starches. Question number 4. What does the liver do? Answer. The liver has many functions. It helps to filter the blood. It stores food energy in the form of glucose. It produces a digestive juice called bile. It is the largest glandular organ in the body. Question number 5. How the nutrients from food get to the different parts of the body? And the answer is the walls of the small intestine are very thin. Digested food in the form of nutrients passes through the walls into the blood vessels. The blood vessels transport the broken down substances to the body cells where they are used to provide energy and build new tissue.
Okay, now students, question number 6. What is bile? Where in the body is it produced and stored? And the answer is bile is a digestive juice. The bile is produced in the liver and stored in the gallbladder and when needed releases into the part of the small intestine.
Number 7. Which foods are easier to digest? Make a list of the foods you think are easy to digest and those which are not. Students, this question has to be done by yourselves using your own words. Parental help can be taken. You can do this question very easily. I think that you have learned a lot in this topic digestion and you can do this question by yourselves. Now question number 8, label the diagram. This is a diagram of the digestive system and you have to label this diagram on your book page. I have done this diagram over here that you can take the help from here, and this diagram is on your book page number 28 that you have to label. The first one is mouth, number 2 salivary glands, number 3 food pipe, then is the stomach, then small intestine and then large intestine. This diagram will be helpful for you to label the diagram. Okay, now students, look at question number 9, that is label the diagram. In the picture, label the 4 different types of teeth with the correct names. Add an explanation of what each kind of tooth is used for. First of all, labeling incisors, then canine, then premolars, and then molars. Now, incisors are used to cut and bite the food. Canine, they help tear food. Premolars are used to chew and grind the food. Molars are also used to chew and grind the food. That was question number 9. Label the diagram. Now students, we have done all the exercises. Now we are going to do fun pages. In these fun pages, there are activities. They are very colorful and they are very informative. You will enjoy these activities. Now first activity. Ali has lost his insides. They are on the right. Can you put them back inside him and write the names of the missing parts too? Now first of all, look at these missing parts. First is kidneys, second one bladder, then C large intestine, D stomach, E liver, F pancreas, G small intestine, and H food pipe. I have done it for you. I have put back all the organs in Ali on the right way. So you have to take the help from this video, and you have to label this diagram on your book page number 29. Now another activity, activity number 2. Now here are some incomplete words. The vowels have been left out. Can you complete the words? Look at this. I have done it for you. Number 1 is your bacteria. Number 2, plaque. Number 3, filling. Number 4, teeth. Number 5, canine. Number 6, intestine. Number 7, pancreas. Number 8, kidney. Number 9, vitamins. Number 10, mineral. You can see on the work page the vowels are missing in your book. The red one are your vowels, and I fill it for you people that you can do it very easily from here. You can get the help from here. First of all, do it by yourself, and if you are getting any kind of the confusion or any kind of the difficulty, then you can get the help from this video and you can complete your this activity. Okay, students, I think you must be enjoying all the activities. Now, I'm also enjoying these activities with you. They are very informative and they are very colorful. Okay, now look at activity 3. Look at these 3 breakfast menus. Can you match each one to the country it comes from? Which one is the healthiest and why? Now look at the menus first of all. First menu is maple syrup and pancakes. Then second one dumplings and then paratha and egg. Now look at the flags. Red flag is of China, then Pakistan and then America. Now we have to match these 3 menus with the countries. Okay, first breakfast is maple syrup and pancakes. Now you have to match it with America. Then dumplings with China and paratha and egg obviously with Pakistan. So these were the menus and these were the countries. Now, which one is the healthiest and why? I think Pakistani breakfast is the healthiest because it gives us all the essential nutrients. This is what I think. You have to write down your observation, whatever you feel to like, write down, whatever you want to write down, that which one is the healthiest, you can write down. Now students, this is your activity 4 of the fun pages. I hope so that you must be enjoying your all the activities. Now look at this activity. What are these scrambled words? Unscramble them to reveal meal names. Now you have to unscramble these scrambled words. First word is your lunch. Second one is breakfast. Third one is dinner. 4 snack and 5 feast. These are the words that you have to unscramble them. Now students, we are going to solve the worksheets. One worksheet, 1 of 3 and 2 of 3. These worksheets are related to the topics and you can easily find out the answers from the topic because these are the questions. You can find out the answers. These are the main points of the topic. Now the first worksheet is 1 of 3. Question number 1. What is the function of these teeth? A. Incisors. They are used for cutting and biting. B. Canines. They help tear food. C. Premolars and molars. These are used to grind and chew food. Question number 2. Write any 3 good eating habits. As we have learned a lot of good eating habits in the chapter, but we have to write down here only 3 good eating habits. Whatever you want to write down, you can write down, but I have written over here the 3 good eating habits. Eat regularly and at fixed times. Wash your hands well before eating. Chew your food well.
Now, this is question number 3. Complete the table. Organ, and we have to write down the function of the organ. Liver was given in the worksheet, and the function is it produces a digestive juice called bile. Next, the function. It helps to filter the blood and stores food energy. What is the organ? The organ is liver. And the third one is again a function. The bile is stored here. Where is the bile stored? Yes, the bile is stored in the
Now
gallbladder.
students, this is the second worksheet 2 of 3 and the question number 4. Write two differences between milk teeth and permanent teeth. Think about for a while that how many differences you can think between the milk teeth and the permanent teeth. But here we have to write on only two differences. First, milk teeth. Milk teeth is a set of 20 teeth and the permanent teeth is a set of 32 teeth. Number two difference is milk teeth starts to grow at the age of about 3 years and the permanent teeth start to grow at the age of 6 when the milk teeth fall out. These were the two differences between milk teeth and permanent teeth. Now question number 5. What is digestion? Digestion is the process of breaking down food into nutrients which the body uses for energy, growth and cell repair. Okay, students. Now we have done all the exercises, we have done all the fun pages, and you can take the help from this video. It will be very helpful for you to complete your exercises and to complete your fun pages. Now I'm giving you homework. Don't worry, I'm not giving you very tough homework. I'm giving you just activities to perform at home. Okay, look at the first activity. Bread contains starch in it. When you chew bread, the saliva in your mouth turns the starch into sugar. Chew some bread and keep it in your mouth for some time. You will notice that it becomes sweeter. Uh, you have to perform this activity at home. It's very easy and very interesting activity. And as you know, students, the digestion of the food starts as soon as we put food in our mouth. Our teeth cut the food and saliva softens the food and starts the digestion of starches. Saliva contains an enzyme. It breaks down starch in bread into simpler sugar, which give a sweet taste. So that's why it becomes sweeter. Okay, next activity, that is describe, draw and describe your favorite healthy meals. In this activity, you have to draw first of all healthy meals and then you have to describe why they are healthy. For this activity, you can take a computer paper or you can take a half chart paper. On that chart paper, you will draw breakfast time, then you will draw lunch, then you will draw snack, and then you will draw dinner. Whatever you like, whatever you want to draw in these different meal times, you have to draw different kind of things, but they should be healthy, and you have to write down why they are healthy. Let's suppose in the breakfast time you can draw cereals, you can draw egg, bread, prata, milk, whatever you want to draw you can draw, and you have to describe why they are healthy. So that was our video, and in this video we have done all the exercises, fun pages and these activities. Thank you so much, students. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.